our approach to teaching English is wrong. Now, we've been following a particular pattern depending upon the kind of role models we have had as our own teachers. Our teachers behaved in a particular way, they gave us a set of exercises, they did this or that, and we have come through that system. Now, if you continue with that system and it's not giving you success, suppose I am doing something and I am not succeeding, the child is not able to, still not able to speak, still not able to write, what does it mean? It means, yes, absolutely. It means that we have to change the way in which we are operating, and we have to change it to a manner in which we will get success. That means if I do something, if I spend 1 hour of my time, I should get back results that are going to be at least 10% more, isn't it? But if I am going to spend 25 hours and get nothing from it, get the same result of the child is not able to talk, child is not able to write, I'm wasting 25 hours of my energy and I'm wasting 25 hours of the child's time. Yes or no?
Yes.
Therefore, I need to find methods that are going to be very, very effective, where my time is cut down from 25 to maybe 5 hours or 10 hours, and the child's efforts are going to bring success. Are we all in agreement on that?
Yes.
Do you think it's a good thing to change to that method? Now that's the first important thing. Now whenever you make a change, what happens is there is going to be some amount of discomfort. You change your house, there will be discomfort, new area, new neighbors, new servants, etc. So you will never be able to make a change without doing anything. Where you say, I'm going to do exactly what I'm doing and the change must happen. It's not going to happen. So we need to have a certain amount of effort put in to make that change. But when you make that change, the difference will be instead of slogging the way you are slogging. And I do believe teachers work very hard. Teachers do not work smart. Huh? Teachers work very hard. Teachers do not work smart. You should work smart. You must have enough time at home to sit with your family, to enjoy television. You should not be correcting books to death. And you must correct a little bit, but not the way you are correcting. My question always to people who write, when your children write, for example, when you correct, write and give it back to them, is their English improving? Are their mistakes going away?
We should make them realize their mistakes so that they improve themselves.
But is it happening with our current system?
Or you're not checking only what actually.
No, let us assume you are checking. You check the child, there is one child in your class who is getting 3 on 10. And every time you give him a competition, you are correcting it and giving it back to him 3 on 10, 3.5 on 10. Is that boy moving from 3 to 5? That is not happening, isn't it?
It's a practice actually. That practice.
No, let's not get into what he needs. I'm just asking you a simple question. All of us are following a system which our teachers followed. My teacher also corrected like this and gave it to me. I'm doing now the same thing. The simple question is it effective or is it not? It is not effective. That child is not making a change. He is just looking at my red marks and again instead of writing THERE, he is writing THEIR. And the same mistake continues till he is in the 9th standard. Yes or no?
Yes.
So clearly I need to start changing the way in which I am doing things. I'm not talking about just corrections, I'm also talking about how I give him, what do I say when I give him something. All that needs to undergo a change. So that next time, in 3 months, when I correct and give him something, at least 30% of my children's mistakes are gone.